In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with advanced search queries on Dropbox and provide a creative workaround to saving these searches for future use. Although Dropbox doesn't currently support a native feature to save searches, understanding how to effectively use search filters and operators can make your file-seeking tasks significantly easier. So, let's dive in and explore the smart ways you can manage and reuse your search efforts. To get started, you'll want to navigate to Dropbox.com and locate the search bar. This is your entry point into refining your search with precision. You have the power to wield advanced search operators to zero in on exactly what you're looking for. For instance, you can use operators like type to specify documents as PDFs or spreadsheets, or use before and after to narrow down files by date. If you're searching for something with a specific title, such as a quarterly report, you can simply incorporate these into your search query. This way, you tailor your searches to match your needs exactly. Once you've typed in your search query, Dropbox provides additional filters to further refine your results. You will see UI dropdowns to choose filters based on file type, folder location, modification date, or even the people associated with the file. Make use of the Dynamic Filters feature, which dynamically suggests filters based on your current folder's contents, making it a breeze to narrow down search results. Now, here's the ingenious workaround to approximate saving searches. Although Dropbox doesn't allow you to click a button to save search queries, you can easily save them using a browser bookmark. After you've completed your search and are satisfied with the results, take a moment to copy the URL from the address bar. This URL contains your entire query, including any filters you applied. By bookmarking this URL, you essentially create a saved search that you can revisit at any time with one simple click. You can also store this URL in a document titled Pinned Searches, which acts as your personal archive of frequent queries. Another effective method is to use an internal document or spreadsheet. Create a small document, either in Dropbox or in another application, and list down the searches you frequently use. Include detailed search parameters alongside the contextual information, such as the folder path. For example, for a search labeled Project Reports, you could type Spreadsheet after 2024-01-01 folder, Projects, Reports. When the need arises, simply copy this text into Dropbox's search bar to execute it instantly. Learning to navigate these features and implementing these workarounds can transform your Dropbox experience, turning what may seem like a shortcoming into an opportunity for optimization and efficiency. Remember, while Dropbox may not officially offer saved searches, with a little creativity, you can achieve a highly effective system that keeps your files at your fingertips.